1094 Donwood. A truly unique property located in the heart of Broadmead. Nearly 5 acres of rolling pasture ensure complete privacy. Spaced over 2 levels, this log home provides a rustic setting while still offering the comforts of luxurious amenities. The natural elements used are a testament to the beautiful landscape that encompasses this exceptional home. Stunning landscaped gardens can be appreciated from the sun-soaked stone patio. The property also contains a 2-story, 4-stall barn for equestrian enthusiasts with an incredible studio on the upper level. The location is second to none, with sandy beaches and the amenities of Broadmead Village moments away, and downtown Victoria a short 10-minute drive.